Second SeaDoo in out of the 4 jet skis. About to take it apart. This one has keys missing. It's got a hole on that side. Doesn't look too terrible. So to access the engine cover, you have to take apart basically the entire plastic hull, the top portion of it, all the way around just to get to the engine cover. It's one piece. So we're gonna try to do that right now. So this took a little bit longer than expected, but when you remove it, the axis to fix the hole is right in front of you. It's so perfect. It couldn't be better. That's actually not too bad. The whole thing comes apart. So now we have to figure out how to move this. We don't have a key, but we're still gonna inspect the cylinders and see if we find any water in it and go from there. Portion is off, and what we're going to do is, since the hole was here and water for the air filter sucked in through here, goes to the air filter and goes to the throttle body, and remove all the rubber to see if we can get access if there's any water went through there, and then go back and check the coils. Alright, so we have spark plugs removed, coil packs off. We don't have a key, but we can still turn the motor with the hook it up straight up to the starter. Now it's time to run a compression check. Mr. Ruben, Jay Leno lookalikes gonna do it.
Oh my God, that's...
You know, he doesn't like Jay Leno. Let us know what you think. We think it looks like Jay Leno.
Nope.
Mr. Ruben looks like Jay Leno when he cut his beard off. Remember Ozeki got you a phone? And for the caller ID put Jay Leno?
Yeah.
It's real, man. Let's check the compression.
You have to open the throttle. Yeah, this thing is not, it's electronic. You can't do nothing about it. But it's 110, 115. That's fine. When you open the throttle, you get about 15-20 pounds more.
The Sonar 1, 2, 3 are good. It's ready to go. You said what? Put a bandage on the hole?
Yeah.
No water inside?
Yeah,
and this looked clean too, where the throttle was?
Yeah, it looks clean.
Alright, let's check compression on this one. not bad.
No, but like I said, you open the throttle and it get more compression.
I wonder if I can open the throttle if it's still
No,
open.
you can't. This throttle actually is electronic. Kind of weak.
That third cylinder is a little bit weak.
It might be the ring stuck. We have history on, right?
Yeah, we're gonna put it back together and get the key for it tomorrow. Take it down to the dealership and bring it back to start it up. Looks pretty good other than that though. Without the key I wasn't able to check the hours, but I don't think it's too high. We're gonna drop Marvin Mystery in it.
Yep. We have to leave it there for it.
We'll give you an update tomorrow and let you know what's going on. Alright guys, this is the second jet ski that we'll be working on today, trying to get it ready for the weekend. The top half, as you guys saw in the time lapses, when we were doing the mechanical, the spark plugs and the rest of that, we left that removed, and this is the damage right here from the outside. Now the good thing is, once we removed that, it gave us perfect access to go ahead and do whatever repairs we need on the inside. So what we'll be using is some Quick 50 right here. It's an automotive adhesive for plastic specifically. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on fixing this. The plan is to create a some kind of holder right here on the outside, and we'll fill the entire body in here and then remove whatever we put here, and the idea is that it should come out nice and flat, and let's see how it goes. Sand it down and put it up bondo?
Outside, this one outside.
Oh, that one outside too?
Same one. But not like this.
Yeah.
Only like I mean, mix it all outside.
So what we decided to do is put this netting in between. It almost created like a fiberglass type of strength, hopefully. Good. So are you gonna go ahead and sand this down as well? No?
Lining.
Just bed liner? Alright guys, as you saw,
We went ahead and grinded what was remaining down after we removed the tape. Added a nice thin layer of more of that adhesive on here. And pretty much the plan is, you can see there's a body line coming right here. And it comes all the way around right where our damage is underneath it and goes all the way to the other side. So we're gonna go ahead and tape it off from here and this entire section to the other side. We're gonna go ahead and bed liner it and hopefully it'll look OEM. So we'll see you then. Alrighty guys, we went ahead and taped it off, sanded it down, and we are ready to paint. Alright guys, we got it all painted up, took the tape off, and just got it up here lifted up in the sun. Just try to dry it as quick as we can. But I'm happy with the result. We're able to follow this nice body line and keep the OEM look, and it looks pretty good in my opinion. For to set it down, you're looking at it from the front, you're looking somewhat about like that. You just have it lifted up now so it can dry quicker.